invertebrates, that means, well, that would include sea creatures as well. I'm specifically today talking about the good, the bad, and the yummy. Yep, I said yummy. We in our Tomorrow area are letting you know that the future of protein could be as simple as growing insects, because for a yield of 80 pounds of food, you can get about 8 pounds of bug protein versus 1 to 2 pounds of animal protein, and it might just be the way of the future. Not saying for you, but maybe for the world. I'm going to need some volunteers today to help. Tarantulas are an awesome, good insect. Wait a minute, it's not an insect. How many legs do insects have?
6.
She has more than 6. She has
8.
So she is an arachnid. This is related to scorpions, tarantulas, spiders. Largest of the spiders is the Goliath bird-eating spider. This one is just about as big as a Goliath bird-eating spider. It's found in the central southern United States, so from New Mexico all the way down into Mexico and Central America. The golden knee is a beautiful tarantula, and it is a very good hunter. It doesn't eat people. That's why I'm not worried about any of this, but it does love to eat. So she's pretty relaxed. Interesting thing about tarantulas, can you see it? Do I need to get closer? No, okay. Interesting thing about tarantulas, and the